Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Sandy Lynn. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It's an open collaboration, anyone can join, and it's hosted by Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And I chose to do a fruit and flower tablescape using a white tiered tray as my centerpiece. And I have some candles and a fruit plate with some strawberries and raspberries. And I added a freshly baked spice cupcake and I sprinkled powdered sugar on top. It's very yummy. And I've decided to put a raspberry on top. And I have it on this very pretty scalloped dessert plate and this blue etched flower plate and a gold charger, a rose gold charger plate. So I think it made for a very nice setting. These raspberries and strawberries were all purchased at a local farmer's market. Very fresh and yummy. And I have a pink spiral candle and faux fruit on the tier tray with some yellow flowers. I did add some turtle candies under the little cloche on top of the tier tray. Again, another one of these spice cupcakes with a little raspberry on top. And here's my little forget-me-not teacups, a little blue colored goblet, and the tea for today is Pure Peppermint by Twinings. A very pretty cup and saucer that I inherited from my grandmother, so I've had it for a long, long time. So there we go, my tablescape for today, fruit and flowers. I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor for hosting this collaboration. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.